Bonjour tout le monde. Long time no talk, per usual. I'm just sitting in my apartment right now. I figured I would catch you guys up. I haven't just sat down and like talked to you guys in a while, so if you hear birds chirping and stuff in the background, I'm doing my laundry and all the windows are open, so that's why. But gosh, where do I start? I feel like the past 3 months, well, just since the beginning of the year has been like a whirlwind. I don't even know where to start. So, the beginning of the year, I was obviously in Paris, and you guys know for a while that I've been doing Style by Olivia just as like a blog and a hobby. But this year, I was really serious. Like, I'm opening my own firm. Like, I'm going to work for myself full time, um, and just see where it takes me. So, um, I'm not sure if I announced that here on YouTube, but yeah, I have my own company, Style by Olivia LLC, Image and Management Consulting. So that has been the most exciting and just like challenging aspect of my life for the past few months. Just like starting running a company, getting clients, like it's so much. Just like having a company, working for yourself, and like I do have a job too. It's not like it's not like I left my job. I work full time in Paris as well, so it's like it has been a whirlwind, and it's feeling like okay, it's finally all starting to come together. But I've just been in literally hibernation mode. I can't even like I just like there's no words to explain just everything that's been going on. So that's what I've been up to the past couple months. And then on top of that, I've been traveling a lot. I've been trying to do all of that while still maintaining my job and my sanity and my health. So that has been like really, really challenging for me, but in a good way. So it's like I feel like I am so thankful that I get to even do this, that I get to like live my dream and come to Paris and build my company. I almost feel guilty if I ever want to complain or like, cause like I can't, like, this is the life that I want, I wanted, I dreamed of. And like, now that it's finally coming, it's like, oh gosh, like, it's very scary. It's overwhelming, So, and I definitely can't complain, or I feel like I can't complain because it's like, wow, you sound so ungrateful, Liv. Like you did all this stuff. You live in Paris. You have this gorgeous apartment. You want to complain? Like, okay. So that's where I'm at right now. Yeah, I wanted to quick give you guys that update because I feel like I've been all over the place. I'm trying to get better about vlogging. I want to like know what you guys think because I'm thinking of just being, I don't know, I want to show you guys more, and I also want to talk to you guys more. So if you have questions just about like what it's like to live abroad or how I did it or where to find an apartment, stuff like that, um, I want my channel, my YouTube channel, to be more informative, and I want you guys to genuinely like get inspiration and like stuff that you otherwise wouldn't have known. I want it to definitely be helpful. I don't want it to just be like, hey, look at me walking around the street. Like, that's not what I want. So, but yeah, I am exhausted. That's been like the theme so far for the past 3 months. I'm just exhausted. In a good way though, because it's like I know I'm working towards my goals, and like um I'm so tired, but it's all gonna be worth it. So it's just the other hard part is also not being like near my family. So like and my friends and my people I love. It's just like I feel like I'm missing so much, and I'm that person, at least for my family and people I love. Like, I'm there. Like, you need me, I'm there. I'm always there for everything. And like the fact that I can't be there for so much stuff like really, really, really hurts. Like, it sucks so much. But I think that's the part that people don't tell you, like when you're like going after your dreams, or like when you're really ambitious. Like, there's so much that you have to give up in order to make your dreams a reality. And like it's worth it, yeah, but it doesn't make it any easier. So that's the other part that I've been dealing with. I hope you guys know just to like not give up on your dreams. I know for me, like I literally like am so terrified every single day. And I think I posted something about this on Instagram, on my story one day, and I was like, it was a quote by Georgia O'Keeffe, and it was like, I've been terrified every single day of my life, but I never let it stop me from, doing what I wanted to do. And it's so true. Like, I know it's scary going after your dreams. It's actually terrifying, especially when people don't believe in you, or people are saying, no, don't do that, just stay here. Like, you have everybody against you, and you know where you're supposed to be, and it's just hard. Like, keep going. Like, I know it's hard, and I literally have like a breakdown every other day, but it's so worth it in the end. When you finally like manifest your dream and like reach your goal. So don't give up. I know it's so easy to, so easy to, but don't give up. Especially when it gets hard and like you doubt yourself, just don't, okay? Like, don't give up. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna add this to a vlog or if it'll just be something on its own, but I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.